Like Kamlai West Kazil District, but has a West Kazil District, Santali Hapos Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Mokerwat, Sapnew the Leopold C. No Stein, like about the leaky helper Hapo SALP School, so West Kazil Mokerwat. About the leaky, helper, about the post helper. First, the mission going to SSS Southwest Kazil District Marker have invites applications and follow requirements. Arpautoliki post helper hapoki Arpautoliki SSA LP school the primary section the happen boy application halan iswa ka live pauterik ka post kene contractual but ka syong rumujing yo fund na Ministry of Education the kipan class 12 passed Arpautoliki post tangki kentai pada pok shenong badan kita ke school kajing siu basan hajar manu banai live pauterik kadeka katrikado by Santali post balai block office of the Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Maukerwat. Ka working tribu kadai arpunai tarik pada April. Te ki post ki longkum ne harum field engineer atli ki post ki pan diploma in civil engineering. Te si experience ka jingsiu man punai kadai arpula hajar. Preference shall be given to candidates of 2 years and more experience kitoki feel by taki essential skills analyzing data using plans, maps, charts and software as AutoCAD programs, plan estimates of generating structures and rated matters as per current or prevailing SOR. Requirement: the candidate should be stationed within the project's cluster. Nang post program associate finance and accounts kawai postgraduate or postgraduate in commerce accountancy or BBA or MBA in financial management accounting and finance kita deki ki desired skills like experience minimum 2 years nang the skills good written verbal communication skills capital literacy with general MS package spreadsheet and data analysis apul hajar punai nang ta kadon sangane ka palai pat kadika post program associate gender social safeguards kadika postgraduate in gender studies psychology social science economic studies or related disciplines including courses in gender within the degree 2 years responsible personal experience experience designing gender skills, good technical knowledge of community organization and gender development. It's from the project areas approved for women are strongly encouraged to apply. You can thấy apa seluruh man apply yang post. Tenang ta kadang sana post. Program associate environment safeguards post of postgraduate in or equivalent in anthropology, sociology, applied social science, social work, environmental science, or other related fields. Apply charging say marpunai. Minimum 2 years of experience and good written and verbal skills, computer literacy with general MS package, spreadsheet, and data analysis. Tenang tang it pet saki post palaj sau penyu tali post support DSC District Selection Committee Nongstoin, West Kazil District Nongstoin. Katarik kado bantap kadai san baje jan mit jongka artarik nai me. Post long ne harum driver ka arteli kipan class 8 pass tentang enumerator kawai ka post matriculation SSC pass gram sabika kawai ka post kipan matriculation nanta haban pass ada training ka gram preferable to candidates passing out gram Savicas training and the UGSTC Barcelona capsule training SRD non-stair resistant chemistry kawai ka post HLC science chemistry as one of the subject teaching CU level 3 level 2 level 5 level 8 comes HCC jangka chemistry lower divisional assistant kasatli ke post kajing CU level 5 secondary school living certificate SLC mandal post mandal kami ke post level 3 SLC pass or its equivalent dan anta kidon sakai post storekeeper artillery level 5 SLC pass equivalent. The refrigerator mechanic away post level 4 agency electricity pass solve on water conservation demonstrator junior 1 South post level 4 agency SLC pass. Weaving demonstrator artillery post level 5 SLC pass. Tracer 1 post level 4 SLC pass. Section assistant kawai post level 4 SSLC pass. Projectionist kawai post level 4 SSLC pass. Agriculture demonstrator Santali post level 5 SLC science pass. Katarik kadok mau kadai tarik benai mi ajar pesan hal niswa san baje pihak pendak. Kajing siu kadai sispat tengka nam tak ST kadai tang san pau tengka. Ya kini lai preference ya ki badai nong jong ka district ki ai preference. Apa nong stoi ki di hab district apa West Kassel district jong nong stoi.